We present the FlipNClack table, tables that transform your life. Like everyone else, we move wherever life takes us, and you settle in. That space that seemed enormous now looks a little smaller, with so many dreams and so much furniture. Assembling it often becomes never-ending, and it still doesn't meet your new needs or doesn't fit at all. So you often end up buying new furniture.
Hi guys!
FlipNClack began a few years ago, thanks to our interest in and personal need to find versatile furniture.
A functional tables that would adapt to the new situations that arose in each stage of our lives.
Hola!
At Mobla, we like furniture that is versatile, durable, and not systematically replaceable. We believe that's the only way to fulfill our commitment to the environment in our designs. FNCs are made with wood from managed forests. You can assemble your table as many times as you want, because the pieces are robust and designed to last. We share our lives around the table. We celebrate, we eat, we enjoy ourselves. Imagine doing other activities in the space your table used to occupy. FNC is a simple system consisting of 2 trestles and a reversible surface. At Mobla, we want you to enjoy the space as best suits your needs. You can disassemble your table in 2 minutes and so increase your space. And by using both the support and the hanger, you can remove its components in an orderly manner until you need it again. By easily flipping the tabletop over, you change the color and material. 2 tables in 1. The tables don't need any screws or additional tools to assemble them, so you can easily and quickly store or transport the set anywhere. The FNC table comes in 2 sizes, the small and the medium.
If you are one of our collaborators, you can take one of our FlipNClack tables before they hit the shop with a pre-sale price.
Thanks to you, FlipNClack table will be possible.